Welcome back to Davos video. In our last video, we went over number 21, how to create a top button, or a button that jumps you to the top of the page when clicked. Today, we're going to go over how to create a form. To make your page function as a fillable form, you must add the following attribute somewhere on the page. This tells WikidPad to change the function of the tab key. Rather than tabbing in or indenting the equivalent of 5 spaces, WikidPad will find the next &&I combination or indicator on the page and jump to it. For a page to enable the form feature, after inputting the attribute, you must press save or wait for WikidPad to save automatically. Without saving, the function will not take effect and tabbing will function the same until it does. This is also true if you eliminate the form attribute from the page. To demonstrate this, let's create a new child page. On the form page, I will add our page form attribute. You can see here that it is partially grayed out, which indicates that the attribute is recognized. Next, I'll begin adding text. Now that we have text inputted, we must save the page to activate the page form type attribute. It should be noted that when you press tab, WikidPad will navigate to the nearest &&I combination relative to the position of the cursor. For instance, beginning just after form page, press tab, and WikidPad jumps to highlight the &&I combination. I press tab again, and this also functions for things existing within other fields, such as this table field. Press tab, tab. This is the last &&I combination on the page. Pressing tab again will not start me again from the top of the page. Tabbing between the &&I combinations does not function in preview mode as there is no editing function. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Godspeed.